Hey everyone, welcome back to Robby Hobby. Today, Archie and I had quite a busy day, starting with
Today we
our
are starting
usual
our day
workout,
with our
protein
protein
shake,
shake.
and a refreshing yogurt and fruit breakfast. Then our biker champ was ready for a ride to Gurudwara in Carteret, New Jersey.
Here, me and Archie at the Gurudwara. We're gonna go and do the puja. Come back.
Where we enjoyed a fulfilling langar.
Down here.
After visiting the Sai Temple in Addison, New Jersey, a quick business meeting. And a juice break.
Drink the juice, then we'll start the ride. How's it? Cold? Good?
Dropping Archie off at a barbecue party in South Brunswick, New Jersey, kept us on our toes, but we made it back just in time to start preparing dinner. So let's dive into today's recipe. Start with about 1 pound of overnight soaked chana, black chickpeas. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, a few cloves, 5 to 6 chopped garlic cloves, 4 to 5 chopped green chilies, 2 medium-sized sliced onions, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 5 to 6 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix everything well and let it marinate for 45 minutes. After marination, transfer the mixture to a pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water, mix well and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, in another pot, heat 6 to 8 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add 2 to 3 red dry chili, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, a pinch of asafoetida, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves, and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Saute for a minute. Then add 2 small to medium sized sliced red onions. Cook until the onions turn translucent. Once the pressure cooker releases naturally, check if the chana is ready and cooked. It should be. Now add the cooked chana to the pot with translucent onions. Mix everything well, add salt to taste and let it cook for good 30 minutes over medium-low heat. Once most of the water evaporates, add another cup of water and simmer for another 10 minutes.
Pasta, what are you making?
I'm making ghugni.
Oh,
Does it look good?
yeah.
It's going to taste better than your mutton.
Maybe.
Full of protein. Better protein than mutton. And here's basmati rice.
It's good.
Hungry?
Yeah.
Let's go.
And voila,
Put
dinner
something
is
on
ready.
here so we can have our lunch.
Oh, and remember those Rajasthani kachoris I bought back from Delhi? I thawed them out and topped them with Bihari ghugni, a fusion delight. Absolutely delicious. Now dinner served. Basmati rice
Chana, try
with
it
Kala
and
Chana
let me know
Chole,
how's it.
accompanied by yogurt for that extra health.
Use the dahi and the chana together. Like it?
I enjoyed the leftovers for lunch the next day with a squeeze of lemon. It was fantastic. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Robby Hobby.